Welcome. Let us dive into the course, but first let me introduce myself. Hello, and thank you for joining me. My name is Farhang. I am excited to have you here. I'm a certified digital advertiser, experienced blogger, and course creator with a passion for helping others succeed in the world of online marketing. So over the years, I've gained expertise across multiple advertising platforms and strategies. I have distilled that knowledge into this comprehensive course to guide you on your journey to becoming a digital advertising specialist. So whether you are new to the world of digital marketing or looking to enhance your skills, this course is designed to give you practical step-by-step insights on how to master advertising across platforms like Meta, Google, TikTok, Snapchat, Microsoft, and more. From understanding the fundamentals of ad platforms to creating high converting campaigns, you writing compelling copy, optimizing sales pages, I'll take you through each process, sharing the tools and techniques you need to succeed in the today's digital landscape. So let us get started on this exciting journey together.